always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance. Today we're going to teach you how to change the power level on your microwave. Here's how it's done. You hit cook time, and we're just going to put 3 seconds on, and then you go over here to power level. Now you notice that it says power level PL10. 10 represents 100%. Well, we're going to be cooking at 50% power, so we're just going to push 5, and then we're going to cook. And in this case, it's only for 3 seconds, and it says end. You open up the door, take out whatever it is that you are cooking, and that's it. Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.